Welcome to the WION podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we uncover the rare May 2026 blue moon phenomenon, why this unusual lunar event happens only once in a few years, and the fascinating reason the moon won't actually appear blue in the night sky. A celestial event wrapped in mystery and misconception, the blue moon has fascinated skywatchers for centuries. May 2026 features a blue moon towards the end of the month. It will be a micromoon, which occurs when a full moon reaches apogee, its greatest distance from Earth. The May 1st flower moon was the first micromoon of 2026, and the upcoming occurrence will be the most distant micromoon of 2026. A blue moon doesn't mean it appears blue. In fact, the term has an interesting origin and dual meaning. In ancient times, it was known as "the moon is not blue." A blue moon was a rare occurrence that happened only every few years. This is also what led to it being turned into a phrase to signify something rare and impossible. May 2026 will begin and end with a stunning lunar show, as skywatchers will witness a rare double full moon display. The month opens with the flower moon on May 1st and concludes with the spectacular blue moon overnight on May 30th to 31. What makes this blue moon special is its rare calendar timing, because it will be the second full moon to occur within the same calendar month. This phenomenon, known as a calendar month blue moon, usually appears only once every 2 to 3 years. The lunar surprise does not end there, as the May blue moon will also be a micromoon. Unlike a supermoon, a micromoon appears smaller because the moon reaches the farthest point in its orbit around Earth. Interestingly, this will be the farthest full micromoon of 2026, making it appear around 12 to 14% smaller than a supermoon and nearly 7% smaller than an average full moon in the night sky. Despite its dramatic name, the blue moon will not actually look blue, as the term only refers to the timing of the full moon and not its color. The moon will appear normal in shade during the celestial event. Adding to the beauty of the event, the blue moon will shine alongside a bright cosmic companion, appearing close to Antares, the brightest star in the constellation Scorpius, also known as the Scorpion. In modern times, a blue moon is the second full moon in the same month. However, this happened because of a mistake. A 1946 article in Sky and Telescope had the author inadvertently simplifying an older definition from the Maine Farmer's Almanac. In an article called "Once in a Blue Moon," James Hugh Pruitt wrote, "7 times in 19 years there were, and still are, 13 full moons in a year. This gives 11 months with 1 full moon each, and 1 with 2. This second in a month, so I interpret it, was called blue moon. However, originally, the name blue moon was used for the third full moon in a season if it was followed by a fourth full moon. This was the period between a solstice and an equinox, or vice versa. Typically, each season only has 3 full moons in its 3 months. But, because of the 19-year cycle, a mathematical rhythm between the Earth and the moon, we sometimes get 4 moons in one season. The third moon in such a season is known as the blue moon. The next seasonal blue moon will occur on May 20th, 2027. The May 2026 monthly blue moon reaches its peak illumination on May 31st, 2026. In India, this corresponds to Sunday, May 31st, 2026 at 2:15 p.m. IST. Being daytime, the moon will be below the horizon during its exact crest, but it will appear full and bright on both nights, May 30th and 31. Thanks for tuning into this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.